So I did a bit more work this weekend. Basically, we started building the soffit going around our hot air supply here. Also made some changes, like I was saying, to how we're gonna do the drywall. So originally in my other video, what I was doing was I was running boards right across here and then basically tying it right into this side. But I got an idea from someone else. Actually took, I can't really see there, tied into the joist up here, dropped it down, and then put a couple of connector screws in here. And then basically use that, and we run all the way down, and then also added a board here. So we're going to tie drywall in under here, 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 and then along here, and then same kind of idea with the soffit here. That way they're all kind of raised up, because I was gonna have to drop it another inch and a half, have to put another board underneath here. So, and this height right here to the floor, this is just under 7 feet. So it was gonna be very uncomfortable losing any kind of height in there. Plus too, this will also make my hallway all the same height all the way down to the bedroom through here. I mean, this is gonna raise up a little bit here, but this way this is all gonna be the same height, because this was gonna be all over the place previously. So this is gonna be a huge difference. As per another video there, got my server rack in, got a lot of my networking done. I still got to pull fiber to all these guys here. I'm going to put some OM4, a couple of duplex fiber drops. Those are going to allow me to possibly in the future run up to 100 gig fiber off that. Hopefully, anyways, as long as the technology doesn't change, but that's the hope. I'm also going to run, I've got ordered the PVC conduit that's going to run down here. I was looking originally at 2 inch, but I think it's too big, so I went with 1.5 inches. Basically, the hope is to put a drop on this, drop on this. One will be on this side for the office, one will be on the other side for the rec room, and then one more will go all the way up to about here where probably the projector is probably going to end up going. I still got to pull power and all the other stuff for that. I'm hoping to use that conduit that's going to run here. I'm going to run a fiber MPO cable, and then that will hopefully be compatible with detachable HDMI, so that I can run my HDMI all the way from my storage room all the way here. And I'll probably have to put another one here, because I'm not quite 100% sure if I'm going to put the AV equipment here or there. I'm probably about 95% sure it's all going to go in the storage room, because it'll be quiet. The heat will be kept in there. I'm going to put a cold air return in. It's going to have a heat supply. It's all going to be taken care of in there, which would be nice. And that's pretty much it for now. Oh, I also got the sound isolation clips. So these guys actually attach to my joists on the ceiling here. Probably go like this. And then what we'll end up doing is putting in hat channel or drywall furring channel that goes in here, and then that, when it's attached on there, the furring channel was where the drywall will attach to, and this will basically isolate the noise so we don't have that transfer through the floor, through the joists. I don't know if I'm gonna have to put it on the soffits or these sections along here. I'm hoping not to, because this is gonna drop. I'm already gonna be putting 2 sheets of drywall in, so it's gonna drop it probably about like 3 inches or so in height. But we'll see how that goes. These guys are quite expensive. I ended up finding a guy who is bulk selling them. They were about $4 each, and that's actually cheap. Normally they're around $6 each for one of these, so definitely something I want to plan out ahead of time. But that's pretty much the updates for now, and we'll see you in the next one.